Welcome to Cooking Master. Once again, we are here with some easy delicious recipes. Today we are going to make two cakes. Number 1 simple cake and number 2 marble cake. Ingredients are eggs 7, oil 200 grams, plain flour 350 grams, sugar 300 grams, vanilla essence, baking powder, cocoa powder, milk. Put the cauldron on low flame. Take plain flour and add baking powder and stain the flour 20 to 25 times to make it airy. Take eggs in a bowl. Beat them well. Add the oil and beat it for 2 minutes. Add sugar and beat well for 3 to 4 minutes. Add the flour. After mixing, beat it gently. Add vanilla essences and mix to properly. Grease the pan well. Put the material in pan for simple cake. Put the pan in hot cauldron. Cover it properly for 1 hour. And now for marble cake, put 2 tablespoons of mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add 3 tablespoons of milk. Mixture is now become ready. Take another greasy pan. Put the half material into the pan. Add a layer of cocoa powder mixture. Add the remaining material in pan. Now opening the simple cake. Wow, it's wonderful. Soft fluffy sponge cake is ready to serve. Put the marble cake material into the cauldron on low flame about 1 hour. Opening the cauldron after 1 hour. Beautiful fluffy soft marble cake is ready. That's nice. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with Cooking Master for more easy homemade recipes. Definitely you're enjoying, so like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more delicious recipes.